Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought Lonzo with me because I know most of my recent videos he has not been in them. So today I thought let me make a mukbang. So what I have here today, what we're eating is, this is a veggie salad, pork chop salad, chicken, whatever you want to call it. I had made pork chops last night and I just cut them up and cook some veggies. It has spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, mozzarella cheese, and some chicken all in here. And I haven't tried it yet, but I know that it's gonna be good. You know what Lonzo is eating? Oh my god, he's eating some tomato. A little bit of what I got without the chicken, cheese, and apple slices. So let's get into it. I'm gonna take my first bite, see how it tastes. I'm knowing it tastes really good. He's tripping. This is really good though. It really is. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get into. I did a little question thing on Instagram last night and see what's some questions y'all like me to answer about pretty much Lonzo. The first question was, is Alonzo ready for his birthday? He's a kid, baby, so I'm pretty sure he don't know what's going on. But I know I'm ready for it. I know I'm excited. I know, like, I'm just, like, I'm extremely excited. Like, it's something I keep talking about, you know, like, for the people that don't know, his theme is regrets, and I've just been excited about it. I'm excited about it. I've been planning it. I sent my invitations out already, so this is the first time he is eating apples, so obviously it looks like he does not like them. Or like he chewing on them and then spits it out, and I'm just like, why? I don't know what's up with him. Why are you keep spitting it out? He's too much for me right now. But okay, so next question was funniest thing he's done. Funniest thing he's done. Now Lonzo's hilarious, so he's done a lot of funny stuff. What's the funniest? Let me think for a moment.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later.
Okay, I got it. One of the funniest things he's done is he had went to the mirror. I have like this long mirror where I, take pictures, and I'm pretty sure y'all follow my Instagram, y'all seen. He went to it. He went to the mirror and started kissing himself, like literally kissing himself. He's like it was hilarious. It was so funny. It was so cute. Like, and I'm just looking like, what the heck? That was pretty funny. That was one of the funniest things he's done. Another funny thing he's done is recently he's like been falling, like looking like he breaking his neck, and he'll just lay there for a second and then get up and cry like nothing just happened. And I'm just like, Lance, hold up. you're weird. You tripping. You gonna hurt yourself. But, oh my God, he is not acting right. He know how to eat right. I don't know why he doing this. Like, he know how to digest it. I don't know why he's spitting it back up. Like, he don't know how to act right. Now, the next question is his favorite TV show. Anybody around me or like that comes over here knows that Alonzo's favorite TV show is Little Baby Bomb. They need to sponsor him for real, because this is his show. Like, he don't like no other baby show but that show. And it's crazy because it's like I try and put on different shows for him and he just nothing. But when I put this show on, eyes are connected to the TV. Like, they have like a connection, him and this TV show, and I just don't know what it is. It's weird. It's weird. That's his favorite TV show. Like, the only TV show he likes. Let me put it like that. That's the only TV show he likes. Who does he like more, mom or dad? Okay, so Lonzo most definitely likes mom more. And I don't say that in a mean way. I say that in a I'm with him 24/7. I cater to my son, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I do everything for him pretty much. So he's with me more than his dad, because his dad goes to work. Look at all this food you have down here. Look at it. Well, obviously he don't want me touching him, so I'm gonna let that be. Okay. But definitely his mom. He cries to mom. He follows me legit everywhere I go in the house. If he wants something, he'll follow me around the house until he gets it. Like, it's not annoying. It's extremely cute. But at some point, it's like, chill, Lance. Hold up. Let mom breathe. Like, he don't know what personal space is. He's just a very affectionate to us, me and his dad, because he loves his dad a lot. So, he's a very nonchalant person. He most definitely, like, people say he look like me, so I'll say he has my look, but he most definitely has his dad's personality. Very nonchalant, very chill, very cool. You know, he don't really interact with nobody as much. He does his own thing. People come around, he not in your face. He's doing his own thing. That's Alonzo for you. I don't know what's up with him. So his cheese, I always give him cheese, and he usually always eats his cheese. Always. Like, digesting everything. Right now, he's just chewing it a little bit and then spitting out his food. I don't know what's going on with him right now. Let him do him. My next question is Lon's biggest habit. What is his biggest habit? What does he do 24/7? Let me think. Biggest habit. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good question. Okay, his biggest habit is going to the kitchen when he's not supposed to. That's his biggest habit. That's something he does not know how to just not stop doing. Like, he continuously goes to the kitchen. Like, I'll be in there, he'll go in there. We're just chilling around. Me and my husband will be chilling in here. and he'll be in there. We can hear his little feet tapping, like, wait, not feet, but his little legs tapping when he's calling. He's consistently always going to the kitchen. That's his habit. Other than that, he don't really do have a habit other than just playing with his toys. But that's something he cannot stop doing. Like, he will find a way around anything we put right there to get in that kitchen. And I keep saying we need to buy a gate. Every time we're at the store, we don't got buy one. We always forget. But it's like consistently always going into the kitchen. And I'm just like, Lance, you can't be in here. What don't you get about that? Our next question is a 1 year update. Now, I'm not sure if you want to have me to like 1 year update video or explain like a 1 year update of like being a mom type stuff, but I'll give you some insight. I'm not going to get deep into it because I was planning on doing a 1 year update like video, but okay. Being a mom to almost 1 year old. Nance. Lazo. 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 I love it. I honestly really do. Like, 1 year update. Lonzo, he can stand like for a little bit. He has not started walking yet. Hasn't taken any steps. But he can what he can do. He's been crawling since 5 months, like all that other stuff. Which I knew I said I was gonna do like a 6-month update, but I never did. That's my own fault. I was in this state where I wasn't doing nothing. Wasn't in the mood for nothing. But he is 21 pounds. The last time we went to the pediatrician. He's 29 inches long. And he is adorable, and I love him. And I don't know really else what to say other than like that. 1 year update. As y'all can tell, his hair is crazy right now, but he has grown his hair out, y'all. Inches, lines. You got them inches, 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 inches. He is so dirty right now. He's gonna have to take a bath after this. But so the last question that I got was, do I miss being pregnant? Now, do I miss being pregnant? Do I miss being pregnant? Yes, I do. I miss being pregnant. Why? Because I could eat what I want whenever I want without feeling, first of all, bad. Like, that's one. Second, I miss Lonzo's kicks. Like, I miss feeling him kick my belly, put his, like, I just miss the connection we had while he was in me. Like, I miss feeling that. Like, it's a whole different feeling being pregnant and then having your child out, you know, out here. I miss him. I miss that. Like, I miss feeling my belly. I miss walking around with a big old belly knowing I got a child in my stomach. Like, I'm creating a human being. Like, this stuff is emotional. Like, I keep saying like, but it's very emotional. I really do miss being pregnant. Does me being pregnant want me to have another kid? No. So let's not mix those up. That's not what I'm trying to say. But yes, I do miss being pregnant. Very much so. And when I say I miss being pregnant, because I do say this sometimes, I miss being pregnant with Alonzo. I don't miss being pregnant in general. I miss being pregnant with my son. That does not mean I miss being pregnant. I want to get pregnant again. No. Because people be like, well, you should have another kid. And I'll be like, no. Not right now. Maybe in a couple years. But definitely not right now. I am done. Lonzo is doing him. He's just gonna be sitting here for a while trying to finish his food because he need to finish his food. That for us was our lunch. But then again, we woke up late today, so there's that. I appreciate y'all who's still watching us after my long 4-month break on YouTube, and I feel like that just ruined a lot of my support, but that's okay, cause honestly I'm just back doing it because I miss doing my YouTube videos. I miss, you know, showing off my Alonzo. Alonzo was sick recently. He is getting over it. I think he still has a little small fever, but nothing too much. It does get cold out here, y'all, like 24/7, so. But, yeah. I want to thank y'all for coming to my video. That was a mukbang, I guess you could say. I'm pretty sure that's what it is when, like, you eat and talk. But I am trying to do more videos with my son, so if you have any suggestions, give me a suggestion and I would most definitely do that. What are you looking at? Looking at the camera? Anyways, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching my video. That is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that. So let's take a moment for y'all to like and subscribe. Okay, y'all done? Cool. So that's the end of it, and y'all already know what's finna happen. 1, 2, 3, 4.